Hello dear students, welcome back to the Pharma Learning channel. Today I come with another video of the filtration unit office, into which I am going to discuss about the rotary drum filter. This rotary drum filter is very widely used in the pharmaceutical industry as well as other industry. Before I start the video, if you need any of the tutoring or the coaching help for any of the subject or any of the topic related to the pharmaceutical and pharmaceutical technology, please feel free to contact me on the pharmaelearning@gmail.com, or you can reach out me on this WhatsApp number. Now, the principle of the rotary drum filter is that in which the filtration is carried out under the vacuum. What it means, as we saw that the rate of filtration can be increased by applying the pressure at the inlet or at the feed point, or applying the vacuum or the suction points at the time of filtrate receiver. So in this case, when the filtrate is going to be received, we are applying the vacuum or the suction force. Now, why the name has been given the rotary drum filter? Because as look into the construction, it's a drum is there. Okay, so this is a cross-sectional view. It is like a drum is there, and which is going to be rotated on its axial axis, that is on the axis, and it is going to be continuously rotating. So that's why it is called rotary drum filter will be there. So it consists of a larger drum which is surrounded. The drum is surrounded from all the side by the filter medium will be there, and this drum is going to be suspended into the tub, which is containing the slurry, and the only the certain portion, or you can say only the maximum 20 to 30% of the area of the drum is coming into the contact with the slurry will be there. So here the slurry is going to be there. So this is the construction, and here you are finding the certain sharp device will be there, which is going to use for the removal of the filter cake will be there, while the filter is going to be removed from the center by applying the vacuum will be there. So now let's go into the much more detail how it works. So as the filter drum rotates into and out of the tub, the slurry is struck into the surface of the cloth. So entire surface of the cloth is there, so slurry is going to suck and rotated out, and the suspension is the form of cake. So what is going to happen as the drum is rotating, the cake is present outside of the drum on the filter cloth, but it is not going to be fall down because the suction is going to generate it. So it is going to remain stick onto that particular filter bit. So what I can say, the first area into which the suction is going to be taken, so that is called the suction zone, into which the lifting or the sucking of the slurry is taking place. Once the sucking of the slurry is taken, the next one that is called the filtration zone will be there, into which the exit of filtration is carried out. Here the liquid is going to stuck inside and the cake is going to deposit it outside. After that, the third zone, that is if the washing of the cake is required, then we can have the washing water, the washing liquid will be there, by the means of which the cake is going to wash properly. And after that one, it is passing to another zone that's called a dewatering zone, into which the water or any of the liquid which is going to be still lying with the cake is going to be taken inside by the suction force. And then what we are going to get the dried cake, and the dry cake that is in the form of a solid form, which is going to be removed by the cake removal zone, that is by the some knife or the sharp object will be there. So basically it is divided into 5 zones. The first one that's called the filtration zone, into which filters cake out. Then I can say the cake formation zone, cake washing area, dewatering zone, and the cake removal zone. So I can divide this entire rotary drum into these 5 different sections will be there. Now let's try to understand how this rod vacuum drum filter is looking like into the industry by this 3D animation video will be there. So you can see this one. It is basically the drum will be there. The drum is going to be enclosed inside a particular metal casing will be there, and after it is going to be enclosed in there, the metal casing will be there. It is covered. You can show that one is some of the light brown color. That is the filter medium will be there, and it's shown in over here. It is going to be covered, and the suction is going to be applied inside. So entire metal casing is closed, and you will apply the suction. So now it over here, it's a larger filter video is there, so it is a continuous process. We can make this filtration continuous. So here the slurry is going to be introduced. As soon as the slurry is going to be fed from the bottom over here, okay, and it is kept in the form of a tub will be there. So you can see this is the slurry, and this you can see now only the certain portion of the drum is going to be dipped inside this one. So homogeneous particle distribution is going to be taking place, and after that it is going to be stuck inside. So the liquid is going to coming out from over here, the liquid is present in the slurry, while the solids it's shown over here, it is going to be deposited on that filter medium. As the drum rotates, The filter cake is also going for the efficient cake washing is required, and the washed liquid after that it's also going to be removed from the center part. Here you can also see that one, once the cake is going to be formed and then it is going to be passed to that one. Here the dewatering zone will be there, the dewatering zone into which, okay, whatever the liquid which is present with the cake, or the washing liquid or the washing water which we have used, is going to be removed over here, and this entire going to be stuck from the center shaft and it is going to be removed. So now you can see this one over here. So it's a multi-cell system will be there. So that is the optimal. So it is made up of the parts. So optimal universal. So here you have the coefficient of the filter medium is going to be have a number of filter medium that is going to be arranged in the series will be there to provide the most there. Here again the cake is going to be for the cake from which the watering has been water there, the liquid has been removed. So the cake is obtained, that is almost a dried cake. So no moisture is there, and with this nap-like structure, it is going to be the cake is going to be discharged. So the most important advantage of this particular things will be there, we can get the dry cake. Furthermore, if you want to remove the wash the filter cleaning of the filter medium is to be carried out either from the front side, that is from the front, or from the rear or the back side. It is also to be carried out very easily. So you can see this one, this entire thing is covered into the casing like structure, and where we are going to apply the vacuum. Okay, the vacuum is a negative pressure or the suction force will be there. Now let's try to understand the same thing by the another that's animation video will be there. Into this animation video we can say that one, this is much more clear because it's like a much more like a small one. So it is like filter medium will be there, the suspension is present there, the top will be there. This one, the this one like the checks one, that is a filter medium will be there, and this is a knife like structure will be there, and into which the cake is going to be removed in the form of the solids are going to be in the form of cake, and it's going to be collected over here. So the first one is called as a zone filtration, into which the filtration is going to be taking place. Okay, so into which the filtration is going to taking place inside that one. You can see that a certain part of the drum is going to be dipped inside as the drum rotates. Okay, the cake is going to be built from the bottom as a cake, and from over here you can wash that cake also, and that entire wash liquid is passing. So this is the cake that is coming out in the form of a dry solid will be there, and it's going to discharge into this particular things by the way, which is going to be collected. So this is a slurry, the liquid is coming out from the center, the washing liquid coming out from the center by the suction, while from the cake is going to be collected in the solids in the form of solid like this one. Now let's try to understand the advantages. As I told you that it's a continuous and automatic operation, so operation cost is very low. The variation, the drum speed can be varied, and depending upon that, we can control the thickness of the. So if the drum is going to rotate at a higher speed, we can get the thin cake size. While if it's going to be rotated at the faster speed, we are going to take the thick one. The process can be easily modified. Means we can apply the pre-coating also, like pre-coating with the filter aid on the filter medium, and that will also prevent the blocking. Okay, we can also get the relatively clean product by adding a souring device or by the washing liquid will be there. Here the filtration efficiency will be higher because it can use the filter paper as a filter medium to realize the ultrafiltration. Looking at the other side of the coin, due to the structure pressure difference, which is less than 1 atmospheric pressure, so that one it's somewhat difficult to achieve, but in the practice we are generally going to somewhat lower than the 1 atmosphere. Beside the drum, that because everything drum is rotating on this horizontal axis, from the central shaft the various suction device and the piping systems are also going to be provided, like a vacuum pump for the collection of that liquid and that washing liquid, etc. it will consume the higher energy because of the utilization of the vacuum pump will be there. The discharge cake contains residual moisture, so sometimes it contains some amount of moisture, but the modification can be made into this rotary drum filter, that we can use such filter as in the form of a belt, or instead of a drum we can use it a belt, scraper, roll, string, or the pre-coat discharge. Means when the cake is going to remove, at that time we can make such a modifications to get the different types of these type of rotary drum filters will be there. So if you like my video, please give like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Pharma E-Learning for the more coming videos on the various topics related to pharmacy. Thank you.